From visitmysmokies.com, it's the Funcast with your Smoky Mountain meteorologist, Poteet. Post-parade, post-fireworks, and now what's left? Turns out a lot. In our latest update, you can still celebrate the United States of America with United Tastes of America. That's going on at Anakeesta. Stop by, check out what is a brand new event for summertime. It celebrates the taste of food and drink from across the country. You pick up a tasting pass, and then you travel across the country. You visit landmarks and little icons of Americana along the way. And they've got daily regional entertainment offerings, live music with the Tennessee Line. That's the in-house bluegrass and country music band. Don't forget to snap a photo with the Pixie Bells. They are dressed in red, white, and blue, and will bring the park to life with song and dance. And, of course, the other major summer celebration at an attraction in the Smokies would have to be Dollywood and the Summer Celebration in Pigeon Forge. The day is longer. The sun-kissed days stretch into starry nights. Summer's vibrant hues throughout the park go as high as the kite sky. Check out the Gazillion Bubble Show. You know what that is? You'll know it when you see it. Fun is popping with that. You can thrill to Big Bear Mountain when you go to the Smokies and the attraction known as Dollywood. You can boogie on through Wildwood Grove at a special nighttime dance party. And every night ends with a fireworks and drone show. Still to come in July, plenty. The Gatlinburg Craftsman Fair Summer Edition starts Friday, July 12th at the Gatlinburg Convention Center. And ongoing this month, you've got Smoky Mountain Tunes and Tales on the streets of Gatlinburg. And meanwhile, in Sevierville, the Skyland Ranch with their Wild West Music Fest Friday nights in July. An up-and-coming country music artist every Friday evening in July. Well, temperatures are up and coming after a couple of days where we got a bit of a heat break. The heat is on going into the weekend, and we've got several days around 90 degrees. I think there might be a slight dip in the humidity Saturday afternoon and Sunday. Maybe if you really want to go for it. Go for those outdoor activities over the weekend and have some plan Bs ready because we'll have rain chances at times, not all day long, but daily thunderstorm chances in the heat on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, with highs into the low 90s to the upper 80s. When I come back the next time, I'll give you some suggestions on cool places to go when the heat is on when you visit mysmokies.com.